Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send a video from gallery as a snap on Snapchat. So if you have video, and you want to send that video like a snap, I will show you how you can do that, just follow my steps. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial. First, open Snapchat app on your device. After that we need to recording a short video of couple of second, the long of the video is not important. So when you do that, you will see little plus button in the bottom left corner, and go on it. Now, you can see this tools on right side of the screen, then you need to go on import media, that is the last tool. Next, select a video from your gallery you want to add. Also you can trim a video you want to add, and go to add this video by tapping on that. So now you can see in the bottom left corner of screen, you have two videos, and go on the first one, and go on this little trash icon, to delete this video you recording. After that, tap on preview to add this video like snap. Then go to send a snap, I will send on my shortcut. If you don't know how to create a shortcut, I have tutorial on this channel. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.